For years, Nest Cam owners have been spotting burglars as they enter homes. But what if you could see someone coming before they broke in? Now there's Nest Cam Outdoor to help you look after home, inside and out, 24/7. Rain or shine, Nest Cam Outdoor is weatherproof. It plugs in so it never runs out of batteries. And it sends an alert when something happens. It can even tell a person from a thing. And it lets you talk back.
Can I help you?
With the Nest app, you can go back and see exactly what happened. So you can spot burglars. And everything else. Even in the dark. Stay connected to home and the things that matter most in super clear HD. Introducing Nest Cam Outdoor. Security has never looked so good.